In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Expense. If you're new to the platform, Zoho Expense is a tool designed to help you organize business travel, track spending, and prepare expense reports in one place. It's especially useful if you want a clearer way to manage company expenses and keep your records well documented. To get started, open your Zoho Expense account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to look around so you can get familiar with the layout. The main navigation gives you access to the core areas you'll use most often, and understanding these sections early will make everything else much easier. First, click on Trips. This is the area where you can manage your business travel. If your work involves travel planning, reimbursements related to travel, or simply keeping all trip-related details organized, this section is where that process begins. It helps centralize your travel information so it's easier to review and manage later. As you use it, try to keep your entries consistent, since that can save time when you need to reference past trips. Next, click on Expenses. This is where you can record all of your business expenses and document them properly. Think of this as the main place for tracking what has been spent for business purposes. Keeping this section updated is important because accurate records make reporting much smoother later on. When adding expenses, it's a good habit to make sure everything is entered clearly so your documentation stays complete and organized. After that, click on Reports. This is where compiling happens. In other words, this section brings your expense information together, so it can be reviewed in a more structured way. You can also create a new report here and share it when needed. This is especially helpful when you need to submit expenses for approval or provide a summary of spending. A well-organized report can make the review process much easier and help ensure nothing gets missed. You can also click on Card. In this section, you're able to assign cards, activate them, or deactivate them depending on your needs. This can be useful for managing company cards and controlling how they are used within your expense system. If your organization uses cards for business spending, this area helps keep everything under control and properly managed. Once you've gone through these main sections, feel free to explore the platform further. The more comfortable you become with the layout, the easier it will be to manage travel, record expenses, and create reports efficiently. With a little practice, Zoho Expense can become a very useful part of your business workflow.